Speed, freedom, adrenaline, the feeling a motorcycle gives is unmatched. But sometimes that freedom can turn into a nightmare in just 1 second. Today, we'll talk about the hidden dangers on the roads, the causes behind motorcycle accidents, and the hard truths. With real footage and real statistics, we'll see just how crucial conscious riding really is. According to the World Health Organization, around 1.3 million people die in traffic accidents every year. About 28% of those deaths involve motorcyclists. In developing countries especially, motorcycles have become key means of transport, but safety measures haven't caught up, pushing accident rates to dangerous levels. 75% of motorcycle accidents involve a collision with another vehicle. Most of the time, it happens because the driver fails to notice the motorcyclist. Poor visibility, blind spots, and carelessness can lead to fatal outcomes. So awareness isn't just vital for bikers, but for all drivers on the road.
Okay, we're stopping. Okay, stop.
%60 of motorcycle accidents happen at intersections. Sudden turns, unsignaled moves, and loss of speed control often lead to unavoidable consequences. At night, the risk of accidents triples. Lack of lighting, fatigue, and slower reflexes are major contributors to this rise. What about helmets? Studies show that wearing a helmet reduces the risk of death by 42% and brain injury by 69%. Yet, many riders still don't wear one or use poor quality gear. Remember, a helmet is not just an accessory, it's your best shot at staying alive.
I'm a west side baby, all my ladies, I'm trying to put my dick in your mouth and go crazy.
Comprehensive motorcycle insurance is often overlooked. But in big cities, with rising theft, fire, and crash risks, a strong insurance plan can protect both your wallet and peace of mind. These policies can cover hospital bills, repairs, and even total vehicle loss. As of 2024, an average of 50 for motorcycle accidents happen every day in Turkey. 80% of them are due to rider error. The most common causes? Unsafe overtaking, speeding, sudden braking, and not keeping a safe following distance. These numbers speak for themselves. A motorcycle crash doesn't just affect the rider. It can change the lives of families, friends, even innocent bystanders. Riding isn't just about holding a license, it's about awareness, responsibility, and focus. Every time you start your engine, you sign a contract with your life. In the next video and ride safe.